everyone. Good morning.
Morning!
Thank you for making time for this urgent meeting. But their ID1 manager work is on leave, but he is willing to join online. Oh yes, is this good?
It's good. You can continue, sir.
Today we need to address a critical issue regarding BTX Sira. Over the last 3 months, our customer satisfaction scores have plummeted, and consequently, our overall revenue has dropped significantly. We cannot let this slide. I want to understand actually what is happening on the ground and how we can turn this around immediately.
Thank you, sir. I have compiled the recent customer feedback form and online review. The core issues boil down to three major things: unacceptably long waiting times, poor communication from our front desk staff, and inconsistent service quality. Some long-time loyal customer even stated they felt neglected during peak hour and were very unhappy with the final result of their treatment.
To build on what Manager Hilja just said, I've conducted a quick international review. It's ever we are facing a dual crisis of understaffing and a skill gap. Some of our newer employees will rush into the fight without completing the full onboarding sequence. As a result, not everyone is following our standard operating procedures, which explains why the customer experience are everything so wealthy.
The impact of this operational issue is already devastating our brand image online. I have been monitoring our social media platform and there is a surge of negative comments, bad Google review, and even viral complaint videos. This public backlash is actively driving away potential new customers. People who click on our ads end up changing their minds after reading the recent review.
From the salon area perspective, the daily pressure on the styling team is immense right now. During weekends and after office hours, the volume of customer is simply overwhelmed for the number of stylists on duty. We are constantly rushing from one client to another to minimize the queue. When we rush, the attention to detail is lost, and that is why the quality of the hair and beauty services has dropped.
Financial data reflects exactly what everyone describing because our retention rate has dropped and new customer acquisition is stalling. Our cash flow for this quarter is down by 25%. If this trajectory continues into the next quarter, we will face difficulties covering our overhead costs, let alone funding any future business expansion. We need an actionable recovery plan that makes financial sense.
Thank you for the detailed analysis. It's clear that this is silent action aggressively lead towards service, which leads to bad reviews and ultimate financial loss. Now that we have diagnosed the root causes and pivot the solution, I want to hear practical media step from each department to resolve this business. Let's start with operation and HR.
For immediate relief on the salon floor, I propose that we will implement an only booking and schedule system right away. Currently, we rely too heavily on walk-ins, which creates unpredictable bottlenecks. A digital system will allow us to keep appointments per hour, distribute the workload evenly among staff, and effectively eliminate long waiting times for our clients.
I agree with that scheduling fix, but we also fundamentally need more hand. I propose opening recruitment immediately for 3 additional junior stylists and 2 vendors offices. Furthermore, I will design a mandatory intensive training program for all existing staff starting next week. This training will focus heavily on customer service, equities, and strategic technical skill.
While HR and operation fix the internal issue, my team needs to contain the damage online. We will launch a We Hear You campaign. We will politely respond to very negative review, apologize, and invite those unhappy customers back for a complimentary service. We should launch an attractive promotion like a 20% discount for weekday mornings to shift traffic away from the weekend rush.
That weekday promotion would help us immensely on the floor. Manager Lintang, from the styling team, I also suggest creating a peer mentoring system. The senior stylist can supervise and mentor the junior during slower hours. This ensures that even when the salon gets busy, the quality of our haircuts, coloring, and treatment remain constantly up to Aksira Beauty high standards.
I have done some quick calculation regarding these proposals. Hiring new staff, upgrading the software for online booking, and running promotion will definitely require a significant upfront budget. However, if these steps successfully restore our customer retention rate by even 15%, the investment will pay for itself within 2 months. I will allocate and approve the emergency budget for this recovery plan.
Excellent insight, everyone. This is actually the kind of comprehensive strategy we need. We are not just fixing a symptom, we are upgrading our ecosystem. Let's formalize this into our office action plan. First, HR will initiate the hiring process for 5 new team members and finalize the training curriculum by Friday. Second, the online booking system must go live within 2 weeks under the salon manager supervision.
Understood, sir. I will personally software implementation and ensure the front desk staff are fully trained to operate the new booking dashboard. I will also work closely with stylists to monitor the daily queue lines and make sure the customer flow runs smoothly from now on.
I will fast track the recruitment process to get the new staff on board as soon as possible. The training modules will include roles playing, communication scenario to ensure that bad hospitality never happen again. I will provide weekly progress updates regarding the staff performance evaluation to the management team.
My team will begin reaching out to aggregate customer online by this afternoon. We will also coordinate with finance to roll out the weekday promotion by next Monday. I am confident that showing accountability publicly will help prepare our digital revolution and bring back our sanity.
On behalf of the styling team, we appreciate the step. Having more staff and better booking system will let us focus on what we do best, delivering beautiful results. We are ready to put in the extra effort during the training season to elevate our service quality back to the top.
I will set up a dedicated tracking system to monitor the ROI of this recovery plan. We will evaluate our weekly revenue against the new expenses to ensure we stay financially stable. I'm confident that with everyone executing their parts, Beauty Asira will recover stronger than before.
Perfect. A crisis is always a test of a company's resilience, but it is also a golden opportunity to reinvent ourselves. We have a solid, balanced plan, and no execution is everything. Let us work together seriously to bring Music Ceramic to the world. Thank you for your dedication, everyone. Meeting at your